In this short tutorial, Miss Gina will describe how to use the filter function in Excel, which is a function that returns a dynamic array of values from a range or table that meets specified criteria.
In the description, you'll find a link to an Excel spreadsheet associated with this tutorial. Download and open the file. The filter function can work with either ranges or tables. We chose to demonstrate using tables, but if you wish to use ranges instead, you just replace the table and column references with the ranges of your main data source. Tables and ranges have pros and cons, and will largely depend on the use case. Neither is more correct than the other. When you load the file, the first step is to turn the range on the Sales Data tab to a table. You do this by hitting Control-T. Mac is Command-T. Then rename the table to Sales. At the bottom of the spreadsheet, there's a tab or sheet named Analysis. Click on that. In cell A4, enter in the filter function, as shown on the screen. We have also included the file to download with the function working. Next, in cell B1, enter in different regions that are part of your data. For this sample file, only North, South, East, and West are available. You could also replace the freeform text with a drop-down to select the choices, but for this demo, we'll type it in manually. You maybe noticed that there are no headers. We can wrap the filter function in a VStack function, which will include the header row as well. And that is basically all you need to do to implement the filter function. As you can see, it is pretty simple to use, but powerful in what it can do. Feel free to leave a comment about what use cases you used this for. Ciao!